is divided into four compartments. The first compartment of their stomach is rumen, okay, and that is the largest compartment, okay, of their stomach. Now the second one is reticulum, okay, this is the second compartment. Third one is omesum, and the last one is abomasum. Okay, so these four compartments are the stomach of herbivores. Okay, so first when they are eating grass, okay, so when they are eating grass, first that half digested grass will pass to the first part of their stomach, which is called rumen. Okay, so in that part there is some type of bacteria is present. Okay, so inside that part there we have some bacteria, and what is the function of these bacteria? These bacteria are breaking down cellulose to simpler. Okay, because cellulose is a complex form, so this complex form is converting into or breaking down into simpler with the help of some bacteria, and these bacteria are present in rumen. Okay, so first when food will reach in rumen, so after that that complex food will breaking down with the help of some bacteria. Okay, but that food will not fully digested. Okay, means it will half digest. Okay, so after that that half digested food will pass from rumen to the another compartment, which is called reticulum. Okay, so it will pass from rumen to reticulum, and after that from reticulum it will again bring back to their mouth in the form of curd, in the form of curd. Okay, okay, so this process in which food is bring back from reticulum to mouth, okay, in the form of curd, this process is called ruminating. This process is called ruminating. Okay, so after that the rechewed food matter, okay, when food will rechewed again, so that rechewed matter will swallow for the second time. Okay, and after that that rechewed food will enter to the third chamber, and the third chamber name is omesum. Which one? Omesum. Okay, so omesum. Okay, so after that this rechewed food will pass to omesum, and in omesum that food will break down into smaller pieces. Okay, so in omesum that food will break down into small pieces. Okay, and but that food, okay, which is breaking down in omesum, it has some amount of water. Okay,